If you recently had a fire in your home, or if you have smoke-damaged carpet cleaning to do, then this blog post is for you. We're going to take a closer look at how smoke can affect your carpets, and what steps you can take to get them back into shape. If the odor of smoke lingers after the fire has been put out, it's best not to wait too long before calling in professional help so that they can go over all of the details with you. They will be able to assess any damages and give an estimate on how much it'll cost to clean up. Once everything has been agreed upon, they'll start work right away. How to get smoke-damaged carpet cleaning. Smoke-damaged carpet can be unsalvageable. If you want to get your home back to its original state, it's best to hire a professional to do the job. This is best done by using a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment. This will help to get the soot off of the carpet and into the base. After doing this, you can use a wet mop to clean up any remaining soot from the carpet backing and onto your floor. Some carpet cleaners say that you can clean one side of a carpet and then flip it over to get the opposite side. But this is only true with a very clean carpet. Always remember to use the same method for cleaning your carpet as you did for smoking in your home. You should call your insurance agent to find out what you were covered for before cleaning smoke-damaged carpet. For example, if it's a rental property, your insurance might not cover the cleanup. If you have a smoke damage insurance claim, it is important to note that normal homeowners insurance will cover soot damage caused by smoke. A filtered face mask is needed for smoke filtering with a respirator attached. It can be used to filter out the damages from your home, but if not filtered properly, it will also filter out the smell. When looking for a mask, make sure it has a rating for smoke filtering and fits your mouth and nose properly. When you are trying to clean smoke damage, make sure you are using a mask that filters out the majority of the smoke. Carpet cleaning machines can be easily rented from grocery and hardware stores. It's best to clean the carpet in a well-ventilated area. Carpet cleaning solution should have a low pH level. This will prevent the solution from damaging your flooring and furniture. The browning effect is caused by high pH levels. It will also cause a decrease in the color and shine of your carpeting. If you have a smoke-damaged carpet, it's important to retest many products before getting them on your home. Many companies also offer deep discounts in the aftermath of a disaster. Dispose of severely damaged items. If it's melted or otherwise irreparably physically damaged, you should throw it away. You can also clean the affected area with a mixture of baking soda and water, or use a vacuum. If the upholstery is severely damaged, replace it with new if possible. If not, remove as much of the old material as possible and dispose of it in a trash bag. Vacuum and clean the rest of the carpet with water and soap to remove as much smoke residue as possible. Your first step is to dispose of the items that are severely damaged. You should remove them from your home and take them for recycling or disposal so you can make the room as clean as possible. If you have a severe problem with smoke damage, the best course of action is to call in professionals who will be able to help you get your home back to its original condition. Open the windows. This is a part of how to get smoke damage cleaned up without ruining your home. By opening the windows in your home, you will replace soot with fresh air and wet air. To get rid of smoke damage, open the windows. This helps to increase airflow and minimize the smell. Install a dehumidifier. If you have a smoke-damaged carpet, then the best thing to do is to install a dehumidifier in your home. This will help speed up the process of cleaning. If you have a room that is wet and humid, it's best to put a dehumidifier in this area. This will remove the moisture in the air and create a drier environment. So, how does this affect smoke-damaged carpet and upholstery? When air is humid, moisture vapors will settle into the fabric, trapping soot particles. By installing a dehumidifier, you can cut down on the amount of moisture in the air and reduce how much soot your carpet or upholstery will hold. Clean and deodorize. To eliminate smoke odors from carpet or upholstery, you must clean and deodorize